For quick start in DIALux, I mainly use the rectangular room. For this and good example is our white laboratory. As you can see here, it's a rectangular room with a room height of 4 meters, and I will show you this via the room planning. So the quick start is the button here in the start screen. We have two types for the room planning, the rectangular room or that you can draw a free room shape. We use the rectangular room because it's very fast and simple. The space we use is for the educational building, classroom and general activities, that's okay. In another video we will show you how you get more information about the utilization profiles. Now we have to type in the length. Via the tab key I can change this field. And the room height is 4 meters. I will say enter. The wall thickness is by default 20 centimeters. That's okay here.
Would you like to improve your skills? Just have a look at our complete course DIALux Evo for interior lighting.
Now the rectangular room is constructed. We are in the construction mode, in the story and building construction. If you like, we can change the name of the story via enter. Here you can check also the story height. That's the same as the room height. In the side views, you can check also the room height. You see here 4 meters. It's okay for the ceiling height. The bottom is by 0.